We have a gorgeous plate of spaghetti made by yours truly with some hot chili peppers and garlic bread. Nice home cooked meal. You know what I'm saying? We're watching, what's that show?
Kaleidoscope.
Kaleidoscope. It's pretty good. And I finally just started Yellowstone as well. This is good. There's only a little bit of cheese left, so. Did you get some? No, not much left. We finished off the Parma cheese. Good old spaghetti. I was gonna make the $1 million spaghetti, but it seemed like a lot, so I will make it, but just not tonight.